welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Summer Maphumulo, and I want to thank you guys so much for your love and your support, for literally just reaching out to me, sending me your DMs, sending me messages. I really appreciate that very, very much. And so, like always, I am super excited about today's video, and of course I'm buzzing with excitement. So I'm gonna be doing something very special to me, because remember, not everybody likes to drink a protein shake, not everybody likes all the stuff that I've been doing. So I'm trying to reach out to everybody so that everyone can gain weight in all the right places while they are enjoying it, you know. Because if you're doing it and you're just doing it and you're not having fun, oh my god, that's a crime. So if this is not your first time here, thank you so much for your love and your support. Please continue liking my videos, watching and sharing, of course. And if this is your first time here, thank you so much. Do the right thing, join this growing family, become part of this family, okay? Like this video, comment down below, tell me if you're gonna try it, and do the most important thing, man. Subscribe to my channel, and let's get this video started. So what you'll need to make this breakfast, it's very simple. 2 slices of bread. It has to be brown bread, whole wheat, because it's healthy. And you need your peanut butter, you need some banana, and you need your cinnamon. You know I love cinnamon. It just adds that flavor to everything, you know. So you guys, it's not just going to be a sandwich that I'm going to be making today. I will prepare something for you that you can drink as well. So you need to stay tuned for that part. And so basically, yeah, that's me. I'm just obviously getting ready to have my breakfast. Okay, so please don't mind me. Don't mind what I'm wearing. Don't mind anything else that does not concern the food in this video, okay? So okay, you guys, I always say this, don't mind me. This is my favorite part, voiceover. It's so much fun, you guys. I promise you, I have like the best time ever. So okay, basically here I'm just teaching you how to spread that peanut butter on your bread. And this is how it looks, voila, when you're done. And now we're going to be moving on onto some banana. I've sliced it already, and so now I'm just going to be adding some cinnamon. Trust me, with the cinnamon it tastes even better. It tastes really good. So now I'm done with the sandwich, and now I'm going to be moving on with what you can have it with, okay? So what you basically need is your milk, and you will need a cup, obviously, and then you will need some cinnamon again, and honey if you have it, like the pure honey, not the one that's added with sugar and whatever. I'm talking about pure honey, because it's also good for just your body overall. So what I do is I put the milk into the cup, and I put the cinnamon on top, and then I put it in the microwave. If you don't have microwave, you can just use a little pot and just boil the milk in the pot, and as soon as it's fine, then you can drink it. So this is how it looks in the end. You have your milk with cinnamon, and you have your bread. So this combination here is great, trust me. You are going to love it, and it's something that we all know how to prepare. As you guys can see, this is easy to make. You can have this for breakfast. I've been having this breakfast for about a week now. I love it. It's great. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and do the right thing. Comment down below. Tell me if you're gonna try it out. See you on the next one.